Francisco. I'm out and gonna attend the Ringold, wearing my Ringold to go see this silent auction thing throw down. So this is my outfit I'm wearing today. I got a lot of compliments already for wearing this outfit. What I hope to get out of this is to be booking new art projects and get paid at least $250 for a painting that I would devote for 2 weeks. It'd be great if I made $500 for an artwork, but that means I have to go run to the art store if I'm gonna be pursuing doing this as a hobby, paid freelance hobby gig. I have art supplies at home already. I just need a crate and sell it on clothes. Apparently right now what I've been doing is creating art, finishing the project, and then put it on a t-shirt. But yeah, I look so great today. I'm like happy with my look. Been working hard on my body. And I say it's been pretty terrific to see the turnout for consistently working on myself. But yeah, look, almost there. Yay.
The jacket or
The boo, y'all,
but only to something.
participants. It is on. Here's the other boot I didn't get to see. Leather boot shine.